You're making a YouTube account?
Yeah. No, I want to have a name for it.
For our series?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've already got one.
No. No, I want to have, like, when we start off, I want to have my name. Hello, this is whatever blank here.
Oh, 3, 4, 5 Hotmail. No, me and my friend just do this, our PS3 names. I'm Death Maggot, you're Zombies Rocks. That's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
And the series is gonna be first time Moon with another new partner, because I have lots of partners.
First time new partner, Moon. No.
No, Moon with new partner, Zombies Rock.
Black Ops and then double commentary.
I always do double commentary.
Double commentary is fun.